Good morning, students. So today we are going to end up or compile or giving a brief information about sulfur medicine, and we will be completing the sulfur medicine itself. Coming on to the generalities of sulfur medicine, it is, as we have already discussed in the previous session, that it is used in every possible condition. It is the master of all the health diseases or all the pathologies, and it can cover almost every body part. So all the lingering infections are majorly affected by this remedy, and the worst is the heat. The pains which are present in this sulfur medicine is burning pain, and there is excessive sweat of this patient. And as we all know, all the discharges are very offensive, and they are worse by any kind of washing. Also, they are worse in winter season, and there is a periodic modality present, that is every week, every seventh day, or worse at 11 a.m. Now, coming to the physical character of sulfur patient, the physical pathology, any physical pathology is definitely going to cover by sulfur itself, and there is weak headache which is worse in the winter season. There will be definitely eruption on the scalp and dandruff on the scalp, which is extensively burning, and itching is on the heights. Also, coming to the nose, there is some crust formation inside the nose and cracks on the nose, and lips will become extensively red. There is very bushy and thick eyebrows, as we have already discussed in the physical characters of sulfur patient, that they are having stoop shoulders, they are sympathetic, they are very having gastric troubles, lean and thin. They can be fat also, but specifically they are lean and thin, and they are very filthy, and there is offensive odor coming out of the patient. So there is very offensive odor that is coming out of the patient, but still the patient is very sensitive to odors. Okay, so here the aversion, now coming back to the aversion and desire of the patient. A patient is averse from egg and liver oils and liver products and squash also. Now the desire, they desire a lot of sweets, alcohol, spicy things, fat, meat, sour things, everything. Now, as we all know that there is very much burning in sulfur patient, so there is obviously a strong longing for, या फिर thirst for cold drinks. Okay, now gastritis and heartburn is totally present in it, and along with it there is diarrhea, and the amount of diarrhea or the force of diarrhea is that much, which is making the patient to stand up in the morning from the bed and going directly to the closet. And when the patient is coming back from the closet, the stool is very offensive. There can be some hemorrhoids also present. There is oozing from rectum, and itching and burning is always present on that part, from where the, and or I can say the anal canal part. Okay, so there will be insomnia of the patient. He will definitely wake after 3 to 4 hours. Every sleep after 3 to 4 hours they'll wake, and when they are waking with a nightmare. So there is when they are seeing some nightmare or some bad impressions in their sleep, they'll wake after 3 to 4 hours. Mostly the eruptions or the skin impressions are very much moist, as we can see. So they are very much moist, and eczema, psoriasis, urticaria, every kind of complaint can be cured by sulfur itself. Itching will be very worse, and it is very worse in heat or bathing or night. As we already know that everybody will think that sulfur patient is having very much burning tendency, they are very much having heat aggravation, and in the night there is aggravation written inside the book. So what is the reason of this? So let me clarify you this thing, that although comparatively from morning to night there is some low temperature or there is some equal temperature, so in night definitely sulfur patient should not have aggravation of any complaint. But here aggravation at night only signifies that the patient, when coming in contact with the bed, then the warmth of heat provided to the patient will aggravate all the complaint. It is not the night that is aggravating all the complaint, but it is the aggravation from the warmth of bed, as it is written in clearly in the modalities that the warmth can be aggravated by even the warmth of bed also. Okay, so when we are doing some comparison, then we can definitely compare Econite and Pulsatilla with sulfur remedy, and Soranum is also a complementary to this remedy. Definitely, the burning of arsenic album and phosphorus can be completed or can be compared with this, and the suppurative stage of sulfur and silicia can be compared with sulfur remedy too, and calcarea carbonica's few symptoms can also be compared with this remedy. So here we are completing the sulfur remedy. Thank you.